Wel, bore da I chi gyd. Good morning to you all. A croeso I Gwasanaeth ysgol pedwerydd o Fai. Welcome to the assembly, school assembly on the 4th of May. Gweithio mae pawb yn cadw'n iach ac yn ddiogel yn ystod y cyfnod hunan ynysu yma. I hope everybody is keeping healthy and safe during this self-isolation. Heddiw dwi'n mynd i trafod sgiliau. A beth yw sgiliau? A mae'n siŵr bod y pawb rhyw fath o sgil maen nhw wedi mistroli. Boed yn taflu pêl, coginio, falle gosod blodau, hyd yn oed cneifio. Today I'm going to discuss skills. What are skills? I'm sure everybody has mastered some sort of skill. Whether it's throwing a ball, cooking, flower arranging, even shearing. Wel, yn ystod y cyfnod hunan ynysu yma, beth am ddysgu sgil bach newydd? What about during this self-isolation period? How about learning a new skill? Efallai bod rhai chi wedi datblygu sgiliau yn barod. Some of you might have learned some skills already. I have seen some videos of pupils learn to kick the ball, keep your piece, cadw bêl I fyny, a hwnna'n sgil yn ei hunan. A fi'n gwybod bod chi yn brysur tu hwnt gyda chwaith ysgol. I know you're very busy with your schoolwork, and dwi'n ddiolchgar chi am hynny. I am thankful for all your hard work for schoolwork, but I'm not asking you to do more work, but maybe to develop a skill that maybe can help you to relax. Felly, dwi'n gofyn I chi I falle dysgu sgil bach newydd mwyn bod chi yn lle ymlacio a mwynhau. Felly, beth gallen ni fod yn dysgu? Offeri newydd falle? Iaith gwahanol? Garddio? Gymnastig falle? Dawnsio? Dweud jokes? A beth am triciau cardiau? Mae siwt gymaint o gwahanol bethau gallu di wneud mwyn datblygu sgiliau, a mae angen ymarfer bach yn aml. Falle 5 munud I 10 munud, ond falle yn rheolaeth mewn diwrnod. Meddyliwch y ffordd chi'n rhannu'ch diwrnod falle. Chi'n neud bach o waith ysgol, cael egwyl yn y bore, falle mae'n allan i'r awyr iach I ymarfer y sgil hyn wrth ymlacio. Falle chi'n neud ymarfer bach cyn brecwas allan bore. Amser cino falle, a diwedd y nos. Well, what about learning a new musical instrument? A different language maybe? Gardening, gymnastics, dancing, saying jokes, even card tricks. There are so many different things that can be done to develop skills, but what you need is short practice and often. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes during a break from work, from the schoolwork. You could practice the first thing in the morning before breakfast maybe, during lunchtime. At the end of the day, beth sy'n bwysig I gofio amser chi'n datblygu sgil newydd yw, mae fe'n anodd I ddechrau. It is difficult to start. And byddwch chi yn methu ar y dechrau. Beth sy'n bwysig yw bod chi yn dal ati, yn dyfal barhau, yn datblygu, a fyla byddwch chi'n datblygu hyder a gwydnwch. What's important about learning a new skill is to make, when you start, it can be quite challenging, it can be quite difficult. What's important that you persevere. So if you fail the first time, you try again. That's the way you will develop confidence and you will develop that resilience to keep on going. A mae hwnna'n hynod o bwysig. A bod ni'n cefnogi'n gilydd. Bod ni'n teuluodd yn siarad yn gilydd a bod ni'n cefnogi'n gilydd I ddatblygu'r sgiliau. Make sure that we help each other out. Pupils, families help each other and raise that confidence. Wel, dwi yn mynd I datblygu sgil newydd. Mae'r sgil ma dwi wastad wedi wneud. I've always wanted to do this skill, but I've never really pushed myself. Dwi heb gwthio'n hunan I datblygu'r sgil hyn. Chol beth yw hon? Hon yw'r, maen nhw'n cael ei alw'n organ ceg, harmonica. This is what they call a mouth organ, harmonica. A dwi'n mynd I drial dysgu chwarae hon. I'm going to try and learn to play. Mae lot o waith ymarfer ni. I've got a lot of practice to do. Wel, amser fyddwn ni yn barod I dychwelyd i'r ysgol, when we're ready to return back to school, safe, I'll be interested to hear what skills you've all developed. Byddai yn edrych mlaen I weld pa sgiliau rydych wedi datblygu dros y cyfnod hwn. Cofiwch I roed ar Teams pa sgiliau ac yn I annog eich gilydd I ddysgu. Make sure you put your skills on Teams. Jot down what skills you are developing and then encourage others to practice and develop as well. Wel, gobeithio gewch chi wythnos dda. Mae wythnos ysgol braidd yn fyrrach wythnos hyn. Mae'n dydd Gwener hwyl y banc ar diwedd yr wythnos, felly mae 4 diwrnod o waith caled da chi o'ch blaenau chi, a rwy'n siŵr byddwch chi gyd yn parhau I weithio gyda'ch athrawon a'ch staff ar y Teams. So this week is a 4-day week. There's a bank holiday on Friday, so we got 4 days of hard graft, gwaith caled, but always remember to ask for support and not to panic. Try your best. Pob hwyl I chi gyd. Good luck.